What would you do if you became ill and your life changed dramatically? Critical illness insurance protects you against risk if you experience a life-altering illness or injury like cancer or multiple sclerosis, or if you experienced a heart attack, stroke, or had to have bypass surgery. It pays you a tax-free lump sum living benefit, typically 30 days after you're diagnosed with a life-threatening illness. You can use your benefit to pay out any way you choose. Pay for additional health services, go to the United States for immediate healthcare treatment, pay off mortgage and debts, etc. The choice is up to you. Policies provide coverage to be paid out in a set amount such as $50,000, $100,000, or $250,000 in coverage if you become critically ill or injured. You can buy a policy worth up to $2 million of coverage in Canada. Everyone can benefit from a critical illness insurance policy, even in small amounts such as $25,000 or $50,000. The most common size critical illness insurance policy in Canada today is about $120,000 of coverage. That would give you enough liquidity for 2 to 3 years' income, pay off debts, and give you freedom of choice. How would you design a critical illness plan to suit you? There are several choices. You can get a short-term critical illness plan such as a Term 10 or Term 20 policy that would cover you for a shorter term of 10 to 20 years. If anything were to happen to you during that period of time, you would get your tax-free living benefit to use as you choose, like paying off your mortgage, for example. A short-term policy automatically renews after the 10 or 20 years is up if you want to keep it, but it does get very expensive at that time. You can get a term to 65 or a term to 75 policy which would cover you until that age with a level premium, and then the policy would end. The permanent version of critical illness insurance is term to 100. This gives you coverage for the rest of your life and the price will never increase. There are some very important riders and benefits you can attach to a critical illness policy. A return of premium rider gives back all the premiums that you put in the plan if you never have a critical illness or injury. It's like insurance on your insurance. Why might you need a critical illness insurance policy? Are you concerned about the healthcare system in Canada? Worried that it would not provide you with quick and immediate access to life-saving treatment? Critical illness insurance gives you cash to use to go to a fee-for-service country like the U.S. to get immediate health care. If you rely on your income to maintain your living expenses and you don't want to re-leverage your home or liquidate your RSPs in order to have cash to pay for health care or replace lost income, a critical illness policy would give you an injection of tax-free cash to pay your expenses. It's an excellent product that protects you from the financial burden of a life-changing illness and injury. It's selfish insurance just for you, providing immediate tax-free money in case your life changes in an instant with a diagnosis of cancer, a heart attack, stroke, bypass surgery, and many other illnesses. Talk to us at Lifeguard Insurance about your options and how critical illness insurance might be right for you.